Regaining Lost Trust, a guide to understanding and restoration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important and sensitive topic, regaining lost trust. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, be it personal or professional. But what happens when that trust is broken? Can it be repaired? Let's dive into this topic and discover the steps and considerations involved in regaining lost trust. Trust is the belief or confidence in the honesty, integrity, reliability, and fairness of another person or entity. It's something that is earned over time but can be lost in a moment due to actions that break this belief. Understanding trust is crucial because it affects how we interact with others and how we build relationships. Trust can be lost due to various reasons such as lies, betrayal, unfulfilled promises, and actions that harm another person either physically or emotionally. When trust is broken, it leads to feelings of betrayal, sadness, and anger, making the process of regaining it challenging. Regaining lost trust is not easy and requires time, patience, and consistent effort. Here are some steps involved in this process. 1. Acknowledgement. The person who broke the trust must acknowledge their mistake and understand the impact of their actions. 2. Apology. A sincere apology is crucial. It should be heartfelt and express genuine remorse for the harm caused. 3. Making amends. Actions speak louder than words. Demonstrating through actions that one is committed to change and to not repeat the harmful behavior is key. 4. Rebuilding slowly. Trust must be rebuilt step by step. It involves setting new boundaries and slowly working to meet them consistently. 5. Communication. Open and honest communication is essential throughout the process. It helps in understanding each other's perspectives and healing the wounds caused by the breach of trust. A significant part of regaining lost trust is patience and forgiveness. The person working to regain trust must be patient with the process and themselves, understanding that trust cannot be rushed. On the other hand, the person who was hurt must try to forgive, which is a personal process and may take time. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting the hurt but rather allowing oneself to move past it. Regaining lost trust is a journey that requires honesty, consistency, and a willingness to work through the challenges that come with it. It's about proving through actions that one is worthy of trust again. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of trust in relationships and the steps involved in rebuilding it. Remember, it's never too late to start the process of healing and rebuilding trust. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.